Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Sal. We're here today at Bob's Containers. Come on in. We're gonna be going over and following back on the multi-unit that we've been following along for some time now. We got to finish it already, so we're gonna show you the final process and walk you through. Cool. If you guys see behind us, we do have the spiral staircase that's gonna lead up to the 2 top units. And yeah, this is the final finish for it. The other landing will be on the other 2 units. And if you guys see around here, this is gonna be the living room area. Facing over here behind you guys is gonna be the TV where it's gonna be mounted. Over here, we're gonna have the dining area, as well as your kitchen area. So dining area here, when you get to your kitchen, where you're gonna have 36 inches of counter space right here, another 36 for your sink, and another 18 for your 4-burner stovetop. We're gonna continue on into the restroom. So if you guys see in here, we do have a 24-inch vanity. We're gonna have your toilet, and we're gonna have your 4x3 shower, tile shower, which is a really nice addition to the units. If you walk on over here, we're gonna go in through another 30-inch pocket door into a visitor's bedroom. This will be the visitor's bedroom, and we'll be showing you guys on the next unit the 2 main master bedrooms.